For real?
Can't do the chicken across the road.
Why?
She forgot it.
You forgot it? Yeah, because
He met a person and goes, "What's your name?" And he goes, "Bond, James Bond. What's yours?" Ken. Chicken.
I love that one.
Oh, chicken.
Oh, I got a little bit of it. Oh, there's another one. Wow. I'm leaving the audio in. Sideways and just leave it filming. I'll just like pose, I guess.
Plenty of headroom. What do you need?
The pretty view in the background.
I think there's a hive in that tree.
Come on, come on. Sit. Me. Me. Good boy, friend. Yeah. This big, strong boy.
That's cute.
Sit. Hopper. Paw. Paw. Yeah. All right, we're good. Thank you. Hopper. Me. Me. Me.
And there's a trail.
Hopper.
There's a trail that goes around, so it goes on the other side and back around.
Now again, at the visitor center, this bus will leave the park. If you want to stay in the park, you hop off because we're actually across from the visitor center.
After walking a short ways after getting off the bus in the heat here, my heart rate skyrocketed. Hopper alerted me, and I had to lay down for some deep pressure therapy.
Pressure helpful?
Actually, yeah.
That's good.
It's laying flat mostly that helps.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can hear your stomach.
Really? Grumbly, grumbly, it's the fries. Cyan just pressure on my chest,
Hopper,
but not quite like
yeah.
that. Kind of looks like your dog's trying to suffocate you.
Yeah. Hopper, cover. Right here.
Loki,
You know
come
how
here.
to do it. Oh, it's because my treat pouch. I'm sorry. Ow. Oh, yep, cover. Right here. Hopper. Hello. Cover.
Looks like it's too hot now.
Yeah.
Maybe it's partially the fact he's tangled with his leash.
That might be it.
Do we know what
Been watching it with my dad since Dale was the number 8.
Who's your favorite one now?
Honestly, I haven't watched it.
After a few minutes of this, I was able to move on shortly after this clip.
Do you guys have any idea where the closest bus stop is?
I do not want to come and see this. That is awesome. That is pretty
Loki,
awesome.
come here. Sit. Loki, sit. Yes. Yeah.
Where's Loki? There he is.
It's like shooting both of them.
Erosion on the other side would.
But just how it goes in and out in.
Yeah, all the way across the top.
Up and down, up and sleep. And it's just less than 3/4 of a mile on that rim trail. If anyone does wish to walk that, it's one of the easiest hikes inside the park.
Stay on there.
Andy, you first. He's afraid of heights. You're recording for yourself or for Bree?
For Bree.
I had someone recording for me because I was not feeling well and had to stay back by the bus stop for a little bit. So these are pictures and clips from them. But After that final day in Bryce Canyon, we went home, and that completes the third part of the camping series. And I am so happy that I went on this trip. It was amazing.